Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
Hey, so I asked you what is the best way to monetize a YouTube channel before 1,000 subscribers? And a whopping 83% of you guys want to do affiliate marketing. So today I found 3 YouTube channel examples where you can make big affiliate commissions, ranging from the hardest to do to the easiest for you to do. And the funny thing is that today the easiest channel to do for you actually makes the most amount of money. Look at this, about 400,000 views each and every day, and they got about 12 million views the last 30 days. And the best part is that in this channel there is no face and no voice. So what's about to happen is I'm going to show you a hard niche to do, I'm going to show you a medium niche to do, and I'm going to show you an easy niche for you to do where you can make a lot of affiliate marketing income. And the crazy part is that the hardest niche for you to do today is going to make the least amount of money. The medium one is going to make the second most amount of money, and the easiest one is going to make the most amount of money right here for you. So that's cool for you because you can choose between 1, 2, and 3. You can make videos without showing your face, make a lot of income from both YouTube and from affiliate marketing. So are you ready to begin? Well, the first channel I'm going to show you is actually called Minnow Pond Tarot, and you can see that they are getting 5 million views the last 30 days, making anywhere from 5 to 76,000 monthly earnings. You can see that they're getting about 100 to 200,000 views each and every single day. Now, what they're making videos about, and I'm fully aware this guy actually shows his face. And I know that most of you guys don't want to show your face, and I'll show you an example in just a second. But this guy is the most popular in this tarot niche. So the types of video he's making is Virgo December bonus, tarot predictions, Taurus prediction, Capricorn, Cancer, y'all know this. This is star signs and horoscopes, and pretty much every single video is the same. You can see that he starts off placing these tarot cards, which is like a psychic type of thing, and then he places them down on the table and he explains what this means and all of this different stuff. So this is perfect for you if you're kind of into that spirituality, you're into horoscopes. The second one I want to show you that is literally without showing her face, and on top of that it is in a different language, because you don't have to be English and you don't have to speak English in order to make this work. Look at this, 571,000 views the last 30 days, and here I can't even read what these titles are, but I predict it's pretty much exactly the same type of content that this other guy is doing. But you can see that she never shows her face, she only shows the cards and the table and the hands. And the reason I'm saying this is the hardest one is that you have to use your own voice, you have to film yourself. Even though you're not showing your face, you still have to buy these cards and do all of this. So I'm going to show you some easier strategies in a minute. And a product that you could sell with this is actually called New Astro Tarot. 500,000 launch converts insane EPCs, and you'll make about $31 each and every time somebody buys that. This has a gravity of 60, which means about 60 people are getting sales of this product. That means that this product is selling very well. And when they click on your affiliate link, this is the page. So here they can actually open, they can click on this, and you can have this in the link in the description. You know, they enter their name, their email, and then they're all good to go, making you money. So do you want to go with this hard niche to do where you literally use this Minnow Pond Tarot as the example channel, and the system is literally to buy tarot cards, you have a phone camera and a table, then you get the ideas from obviously the 13 horoscopes, and then you just film your hands and cards, and then you can promote Astro Tarot. All you need to do this is literally, first of all, you need a phone camera and a tripod, really simple. You need the horoscopes, which is right here, and then you need these tarot cards. So is this the one you want to go with? That's perfectly fine. Go ahead and start it right now. But let me show you the medium difficulty right after you subscribe to the channel. Also, let's try to get to 5,000 likes on this video, and don't forget to comment down below your favorite Christmas gift, because I really want to know. And stay to the end to see the easiest and also the most profitable YouTube channel you can make. Take a look at Cooper Academy. they are getting about 1.14 million views the last 30 days, making anywhere from $1,000 to $17,000 monthly earning. Now, this is probably on the high end because this niche is in the investment niche. And obviously, as you can imagine, the people that want to invest in themselves, in stocks, in bonds, in whatever, they have a lot of money. So that is why the CPM is a lot higher. But take a look at what types of videos they are making. So if you just go to their videos right now, you can see Warren Buffett, 10 books that made me millions. Michael Burry is selling most of his stocks. Michael Burry's new warning, why Warren Buffett is holding cash, and all of these videos. Now, this guy uses a mix between stock footage and also whiteboard animation. So that takes a little bit more time to go and do video editing and stuff, but the product that he could be selling is, for example, this recession profit secrets. He's gonna make $52 every time somebody buys, and now this one has a little bit shorter gravity, which means that it doesn't sell as well. For this specific channel, I would actually go with sponsorships compared to affiliate marketing. So what I would do is to go and download this public.com. Here you can make a lot of money promoting public.com and get other people to make an account, start investing, and you will get a ton of money from that. So do you want to go with a medium difficulty niche where you just have Cooper Academy as the role model channel that is doing an amazing job, and the system is literally having the investment niche, looking at what successful investors are doing, like for example Warren Buffett. Then you have writing the video script. So you take inspiration, I will show you that in a minute. Then you read the script into the microphone, you video edit with whiteboard and stock footage. And let me show you some cool tools right here. So for example, Investors Business Daily is a magazine that you can take inspiration from. So it looks like this. And if you like reading stuff like this, that is perfect for you. You can even check the leaderboard. And this is, for example, where they get the top stories. Like for example, here on Google, like 23 hours ago, 15 hours ago, 2 days ago. So you can get inspiration from that. Now also, you want to take a look at getting a microphone and then downloading DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is the best video editor completely for free. That's what I use right now. So I don't know what is opening right here, but yeah, this is the last video that I produced, and I use DaVinci Resolve on pretty much a daily basis. And then there's a couple of other tools, like for example, you would need VideoScribe to make the whiteboard videos, and then on top of that, Storyblocks to get some stock footage. So is this the one you want to go with? That's really cool. I just want you to find a niche that you are interested in, that you're passionate about, and I want you to say, I'm gonna start making money with YouTube and affiliate marketing today. That's all I care about, because it doesn't matter what strategies I give you unless you take action and become successful. Now, I really want to show you the last niche here that it has the highest profit potential, and on top of that is the easiest for you to do. And this channel is called Roberta's Gym. Now, I have a lot of cool information for you about this channel right here. Now, you can see that they are getting the most amount of views out of any of them, which is 12 million views the last 30 days, making anywhere from 12 to 193,000 monthly earning. Now, this is the weight loss and workout niche. And can you imagine how high the CPMs are in that niche? Yeah, they're pretty high. And you can see that they're literally getting, I don't know, 400,000, 300,000 each and every single day. And what they're making videos about, 3-day beginner weight loss, flat belly, perfect legs, 25 minutes, 25 exercises, full body workout, lose 2 pounds a week. And you can see here that they're using this character in the video itself. And obviously, how would you do that? I'm going to share that with you really easily in a minute. The craziest part about this niche is that you can sell a ton of things. For example, Java Burn, you will make $116 every sale. And look at the gravity right here, 770. Or what about this one, XC Pure, which will make you $154 each sale with a crazy gravity. What about Smoothie Diet? You have Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, Custom Keto Diet. There's literally a myriad of products that you can sell in this niche. So do you want to go with the easiest niche to do, where literally the role model channel is Roberta's gym? The system is obviously be in the niche of workout, weight loss, and all of that. The first step you need to do is to set up a 3D VFX software. Now this you only have to do once. Then you need to find the 25 to 30 minute workout programs, and the next step is to use robot voice if you don't want to speak, and then promote many weight loss offers, because it's really easy once you've set it up. Now the tools that you can do is, for example, Blender. This is a free software that is a VFX software. And if you don't know how to use it, there's a great tutorial right here. Become a pro at animation in 25 minutes. You can see here that he's animating these characters. Now, the second thing is you can actually go to this website right here, which is called Mixamo. Now, what Mixamo is that they have all this mocap data, which basically means that you can do a snatch, you can do a pistol squat, like for example this one right here. Look at that. I couldn't even do this IRL. So imagine you have a video with a girl that does this, super easy. And the last thing, if you actually want to use robot voice, my favorite tool is called Well Said Labs. So that is the last software you can take. So now, do you want to do something like Minnow Pond Tarot? Do you want to do like Cooper Academy? Or do you want to do like Roberta's Gym? I don't really care which one you pick. Just pick one, stick with it, make some YouTube videos, and start making money. You got it! But obviously you need to learn keyword research, you need how to make thumbnails, you need to know how to produce the best video you can. Now obviously you can go out there and do all of this yourself.